Bizon presents a brief overview of our course, Engineering Drawing Simplified and Amplified. Engineering drawing is the most effective and powerful mode of communicating engineering content for engineers in a consistent and uniform manner. With this in view, this course lays emphasis on introducing real-life application of engineering drawing beyond the create and read objectives of such course, which we undertake as beginners. Part A of this course deals with simplifying difficult concepts through immersive visualization format of learning along with the real-life use cases. This part covers section of solids to understand how sectional information of solid help engineers to capture and understand critical features of part or assembly. Importance of orthographic projections and industry relevance, application of surface development in industries and its importance. Part B is more focused on amplifying application and extension of engineering drawing in industries. This part covers commonly used best practices and standards. Topic covers standard applications to various industries, which will help learners to acknowledge the importance of consistency and uniformity of information. Interpretation of drawing topic covers guidelines on how drawings are interpreted by different recipients. Types of drawing topic covers why it is important for an engineer to know different types of drawing used in an industry. Drawing management topic covers key differences between version and revision and why such practices are being used in industries and its relevance to product development. Also, drawing number versus part number has been explained along with need of having different identification numbers. Other derivatives of engineering drawing covers criticality of bill of material and its importance for product development and importance of manufacturing drawing. Introduction to new product development topic covers different phases of new product development and relevance of engineering drawing in the whole process. Engineering drawing in other industries like electronics, electrical, and construction industries. At the end of this course, learner will have clear understanding on complex important concepts taught in engineering drawing, few select best practices and methodologies as applicable in industries, real-life use cases to supplement learning, extended scope of engineering drawings as applied in industries from drawing to design engineering.